The ocean depths, vast and mysterious, hold countless wonders. Among them, few creatures command as much awe and fear as the great white shark. This magnificent predator, with its sleek, torpedo-like body, embodies the ultimate oceanic hunter. For centuries, the great white has captivated our imaginations, inspiring both terror and fascination. Its reputation as a man-eater, fueled by sensationalized portrayals, often overshadows its true nature. But to understand the great white is to appreciate its vital role in the delicate balance of the marine world. Join me then as we embark on a journey into the world of the great white shark, exploring its biology, behavior, and the challenges it faces in a changing ocean. Together, let us dispel the myths and discover the truth about this remarkable creature. The great white shark is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, perfectly adapted for a life of hunting in the open ocean. Its most striking feature is its size. Adults can reach lengths of over 20 feet and weigh up to 5,000 pounds. Their powerful, streamlined bodies are built for speed and agility. Their iconic dorsal fin, often the first sign of their presence, slices through the water's surface. Powerful pectoral fins provide stability and maneuverability. The great white's tail, its primary means of propulsion, can propel it through the water at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour in short bursts. But the great white's most formidable weapons are its teeth. Arranged in multiple rows, these serrated teeth can number in the hundreds. They are designed to shear through flesh and bone, delivering a devastating bite. A great white can detect even the faintest electrical signals emitted by its prey. Its keen sense of smell allows it to track blood from miles away. Great white sharks are highly migratory creatures, traversing vast distances across the world's oceans. They are found in cool, coastal waters of every major ocean, from the sun-drenched shores of Australia to the chilly depths off the coast of South Africa. Their movements are driven by a combination of factors, including water temperature, prey availability, and breeding patterns. They prefer water temperatures between 54 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. These apex predators often follow seasonal migrations of seals, sea lions, and other marine mammals that constitute a significant portion of their diet. Despite their wide distribution, great white sharks are not evenly dispersed throughout their range. They tend to congregate in areas with abundant prey and suitable breeding grounds. These hotspots include the waters off the coast of California, South Africa, and Australia. Great white sharks are opportunistic predators, employing a variety of hunting strategies depending on the prey and environment. One of their most effective techniques is the ambush. Using their counter-shading camouflage, dark on top, light on the bottom, they blend seamlessly into the water column. Their prey, often seals or sea lions basking at the surface, remain oblivious to the danger lurking below. With lightning speed, the great white launches itself upward, often breaching the surface in a spectacular display of power. The impact of the strike can be enough to stun or kill the prey instantly. In other instances, great white sharks have been observed herding their prey towards the surface, using their bodies to corral them. They may also use their tails to stun fish or dislodge prey from rocks. Their hunting strategies are a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. Great white sharks are apex predators occupying the top of the marine food chain. This position gives them a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of the oceanic ecosystem. By regulating prey populations, they prevent any one species from becoming dominant and outcompeting others. Their feeding habits also contribute to nutrient cycling within the ocean. When a great white kills a large prey animal, the carcass sinks to the ocean floor. This provides a vital food source for scavengers and decomposers, which in turn release nutrients back into the ecosystem. The presence of great white sharks can also influence the behavior of their prey. Seals and sea lions, for example, may avoid areas where they sense the presence of sharks. This can help to prevent overgrazing of kelp forests and other important marine habitats. Despite their formidable reputation, great white sharks face a growing number of threats, many of them human-induced. Overfishing is one of the most significant dangers. As fish stocks decline due to overfishing, great white sharks may be forced to compete with fisheries for food or resort to scavenging on fishing gear, leading to entanglement or ingestion of harmful materials. Habitat degradation poses another challenge. Pollution from coastal development, oil spills, and plastic debris contaminates the water and harms marine life, including great white sharks. Climate change is also altering ocean temperatures and currents, potentially impacting the distribution and abundance of their prey. But perhaps the most direct threat to great white sharks comes from human interactions. Although attacks on humans are rare, they often make headlines, fueling fear and misconceptions. This can lead to retaliatory killings, even though great white sharks are not actively hunting humans. The future of the great white shark remains uncertain. Despite their protected status in some parts of the world, these magnificent creatures continue to face numerous threats. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists the great white shark as vulnerable on its red list of threatened species. The challenges are complex and multifaceted. Addressing them requires a global effort involving scientists, policymakers, conservationists, and the public. It is a daunting task, but one that we cannot afford to ignore. The decline of the great white shark would have far-reaching consequences for the health of the ocean. As apex predators, their disappearance would disrupt the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem, potentially leading to cascading effects throughout the food web. The great white shark has patrolled the oceans for millions of years, a testament to its evolutionary success. These creatures have witnessed the rise and fall of countless species, surviving ice ages, mass extinctions, and other planetary upheavals. Yet today they face an unprecedented challenge: the impact of human activities. Their future hinges on our ability to recognize their ecological importance, address the threats they face, and promote coexistence. We must move beyond the fear and misconceptions that surround these creatures and embrace a future where humans and great white sharks can share the ocean's bounty. The legacy of the great white shark is not just one of fear and awe, but also of resilience and ecological significance. It is a legacy that we have a responsibility to protect for generations to come. Fortunately, there is hope. Around the world, dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to conserve great white sharks and ensure their survival. Scientists are conducting groundbreaking research to better understand their biology, behavior, and movement. Conservation groups are advocating for stronger protections, raising public awareness, and implementing sustainable fishing practices. Governments are establishing marine protected areas to safeguard critical habitats and reduce human impacts. Education and outreach are also crucial. By fostering understanding and appreciation for great white sharks, we can dispel the myths and inspire action. Public aquariums and documentaries play a vital role in showcasing these creatures' beauty and importance, connecting people to the marine world. The relationship between humans and great white sharks doesn't have to be one of fear and conflict. By embracing coexistence, we can ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures while safeguarding our own interests. This requires a multifaceted approach that combines scientific research, policy changes, and public engagement. Implementing responsible fishing practices is paramount. Reducing bycatch, avoiding overfishing, and minimizing the use of harmful fishing gear are essential steps to protect great white sharks and their prey. Creating and enforcing marine protected areas where fishing and other extractive activities are restricted can provide safe havens for these animals to thrive. Public education and outreach are vital to fostering coexistence. By promoting understanding and appreciation for great white sharks, we can dispel the myths and encourage responsible behavior. Beachgoers can learn about shark safety tips, such as avoiding swimming at dawn and dusk when sharks are most active. The fate of the great white shark lies in our hands. By embracing our role as stewards of the ocean, we can ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. The challenges are significant but not insurmountable. With collective action, we can create a future where humans and great white sharks coexist in harmony, sharing the wonders of the marine world. Let us choose hope over despair, action over apathy. The time to act is now. The future of the great white shark, and indeed the health of our oceans, depends on it. Let us be the generation that turns the tide and ensures that these ancient mariners continue to roam the seas, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. The great white shark, with its sleek power and enigmatic presence, serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Its fate is inextricably linked to our own. By protecting the great white shark, we are not only conserving a single species, but safeguarding the health of the entire ocean and ultimately our own well-being.